Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking requirements, Android 12 or later and the standby app installed. Once done, grant required permissions, display over apps, notifications access, and disable battery optimization for standby so it runs reliably. Next, open the app and tap Create Profile or pick the ready template to begin. You do this now because skipping permissions breaks automation. Granting them ensures the app can dim, schedule, and show standby info without being killed by the system. Now configure behavior. Choose triggers like schedule, proximity sensor, charging state, or when a specific app opens. Make sure to test one trigger before adding more. Then set display behavior, timeout length, dim percentage, and overlay message, so the standby screen communicates the right info. Also define exceptions. Whitelist important apps, allow alarms, and integrate with Do Not Disturb rules. This prevents missed calls or timers. Testing each change helps you refine timing and visibility. Finish by running a full test. Trigger the standby condition and watch the transition, notification handling, and exit behavior. Make adjustments to timings, brightness, or notification visibility as needed. Small tweaks matter. If something fails, first recheck permissions and that standby is excluded from battery optimization. Make sure overlays are allowed. Also update the app and restart the device. If problems persist, reset the profile and recreate it. Often a fresh profile clears conflicting settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.